to dream, and to soar beyond fear. You have tuned into DFM 34.38 Fun with Learning. Have you ever felt like being on the edge of something big? I'm sure if you could make the leap. That's what courage feels like. It's terrifying and exhilarating all at once. A bird's first flight is a mix of fear and exhilaration. It feels the rush of winds against its wings, the pull of gravity beneath it, and the thrill of finally letting go. It's as if the world suddenly opens up to promises. There's a surge of adrenaline as it leaves the safety of the nest forever, never looking back. Today's episode talks about the courage and strength it takes to embrace freedom and discover the vastness of life. But before a bird takes its first flight and soar high in the unfathomable azure, let's tune into a song. Playing Fir Se Ud Chala from Rock. I've always been imagining myself as a bird. I wish I too had wings like them and fly away to all the fantasies I dream of. Stretch my wings wide and with a newfound grace, embrace the new world and find new places. Seems like she has started her Telugu thing again. But if we think about it, I feel a bird is somewhat similar to an adolescent. Oh yes, you're right. They both experience growth and development, navigating the transition from dependence on parents to independence. That's true. They have curiosity and tend to explore the new ideas and discover their capabilities. Wait guys, don't reveal it all at once. Don't you know we have a special guest with us today? Call her then. What are you waiting for? So here on the air comes our guest Pratishta, who's a teenager and has some questions to share with us today. Hi Pratishta. Hi. So how's your life? I don't know if I'm ready for any of this. It's like everything is changing and I'm just standing here looking at it all. I'm scared to move forward. It feels too big for me. You know what? I think of a bird's first flight when I hear you talk like that. Imagine the bird perched on a branch, staring at the wide open sky. It doesn't know what's ahead, and the world feels so vast it could easily fall. But what if the bird falls? What if I fall? It's scary, isn't it? The bird doesn't know if it will succeed. But at the moment, it feels something inside, an instinct, a pull that tells it to leap. It has no other choice but to trust in its own wings, even though it doesn't fully understand how to use them yet. I guess that's how I feel. I'm at a point where I have to make choices, but I don't know what would happen if I try. Exactly. But think about this. When the bird leaps, its first attempts are shaky and awkward, but it learns something and it learns new things. It adjusts its wings, its body, and begins to feel the air lift it. So it's okay to be awkward at first, to not have it all figured it right away. Yes, it's more than okay. It's the part of the process. Just like the bird, you don't have to have everything figured out immediately. You will make mistakes, you will stumble, and you will wobble. But each step will gain you confidence, and each mistake will teach you something new. Just as the bird doesn't learn how to fly by staying on the branch, it learns when moving, even when it's uncertain. So I just need to trust that I'll figure it out, even if I don't have all the answers now. Exactly. Trust yourself. You're meant to soar just like the bird. You may not be able to see the whole path ahead of you, but each step you take will guide you. It's not about perfection. It's about moving forward, learning and growing. Okay, maybe I can take that first leap after all, even though I don't know where exactly I'm going. That's it. Every leap you take, even if it feels small or shaky, brings you closer to where you need to be. You will fly, not because you know everything, but because you are willing to trust your wings and the wind that will So take the leap, trust your wings, and let the sky be your limit. Until next time, fly high and fearless. This is your RJ Hitanshi signing off from Wings of Courage. You were listening to DFM 34.